It's very flat where the rest of the houses are at. All the yards are flat. It's by Rock Creek. They have water intrusion into the house. It's coming between their foundation and their footing. There's only 3.5 inches of fall from the footing to the street. So this is causing a challenge for us, but we're still going to make the water drain away from the house. I'm going to show you how we're doing that. I'm going to show you guys here. This is what we've done. We've dug around the house here. This is where the chimney's at. Coming through here, found the electric. There's the footing. We've also found a piece of the foundation where it's starting to crack. We're going to repair that here in a couple minutes also. We're going to be laying drain pipe in here. All the gutters will be in here, and it'll all be tied together. And it comes to the front of the house here. The customer wanted us to stop here because they didn't want to remove the steps and the porch. We put a wall in also. Not finished with it yet for obvious reasons. So we're gonna have all this come in, all the pipe. The pipe's gonna run out all the way to the front yard. We're gonna have a pop-up out here somewhere in this, right here in this area, right there next to the street. We're also replacing a driveway here. Guys who put the driveway in recently did not put any steel in it, didn't use a very good mix of concrete. It's cracked everywhere. It's only 2 years old. They just did a terrible job at this driveway. We're also doing the garage side of the house. They had some water intrusion here at some point in time at the footing. So we were also digging around here. It's about 25 by 3 foot deep, 25 foot long. We just got done power washing it. We're getting ready to paint it right now. So we've got a really good rubberized coating of paint to paint all this. And then we are going to put another form of rubber against the wall. Rubberized coating that we're going to use is a 60 mil layer, and we're going to put this stuff here. We're going to paint the wall with it, and then we're going to stick the rubberized coating onto the wall, and then we're going to put our drains in and then backfill everything with clean 1-inch clean gravel. And then we're going to have fabric filter on this side of the dirt also to keep all the dirt and debris and everything from getting into the clean rock, which then it's not going to be clean anymore. So we're going to mitigate all that, and this is what we're looking like. We are applying Mel Roll. It's a waterproofing membrane to the foundation wall right now. Getting ready to add the rubber coating. Stick it right to it. Some rubber mat on here. We are sealing up some of the edges on that so the water doesn't go underneath. Okay, it's going to turn out very good. Very good. Little update here. We put 2 coats on and stuck the rubber coating against the other coating, and it stuck really good. I ended up getting the paint on, the brush on coating at New Way off of Hofmeister, and then I got the rubber coating for the outside here from Royce at ASP down in Fenton. And this is some real good stuff. They sold it to me by the foot, because by the roll is a little more than I needed. I didn't need as much as a roll would be. So if you guys need any of this stuff, by all means contact Royce at ASP and he'll get you hooked up. I want to stress again that the fall from the foundation and the footing is only 3.5 inches. So to do this 100% by the book right, the sock pipe needs to be at the bottom of the footing or next to the footing. But I can't do that with the amount of fall that I have to the street, because then it would be underneath the street. We're gonna put our drain pipe on the top of the footing here, since that's the only way we can get our fall correctly for the water to exit the hole that we have for it. We have here is a brand new driveway. We dug around the side of the house here, put in drains, gutters into their own drain, comes down, has a pop-up out in the yard, put a curb up. We did not do the stairs, but we painted them with a concrete finish. Looking good for the customer. Put in a brand new retaining wall. Got that finished up, graded out the yard. Already got grass growing. Here's the drain for the gutters and the foundation drain for the house. There's only a 3.5-inch drop from the footing to the road. So we had to do what we had to do on that. Had to run the drain all the way out to here. Brought in brand new fresh topsoil from Cedar Hill Topsoil. Put new grass in. This job is finished. Have a great day, everybody.